everybody. Today finds us in Phuket. We're at Nai Thon Beach. It's about a kilometer long beach of this nice brilliant sand. And there's a couple small little beaches around here. There's the Nai Thon Noi and Banana Beach. And we're north of Sirinat Beach and Kamala Beach and all of that. And we're just south of the airport. Anyway, we're gonna look around here at this beach, and I'll show you here, and I'll show you a little bit of what to expect behind the beach. And let's enjoy this a bit. So here we are, we're halfway through this beach. And it's a nice wide beach. The tide is about halfway in. It's got a nice gentle slope, so perfect for the kids to come over and swim. And the sand is just absolutely perfect. It is very, very nice. There's some pretty high-end resorts on each end of it. There's a resort back there, and then all along the beach road, there's little shops, food, little bungalows, stuff like that. And then you have another high-end resort on this side. And if you go right around that little cape right there, you can go over there by paddleboard, and that is Banana Beach. So let's take a look here. Walk down, see the ocean. I wanted to come over here and see what it'd be like kind of for the sunset. And it looks like a really nice place for the sunset. You can see it right there. The water, of course, is perfect, like all the water here at Phuket. It's not rocky at all. There's a little bit of rocks down on that end, but here in the middle, it is just absolutely perfect. And you can rent the little boogie boards or the paddle boards and go over there to Banana Beach. This beach isn't secluded by any stretch of the imagination. It's fairly easy to get to. You can do the coast road up. The way I came in is I came in through the jungle. It was kind of cool. You go down a windy road. That was a big wave. I came down a windy jungle road. Oh, that kid just got blasted. And it's pretty nice. It's really scenic. Lots of banana trees, stuff like that. Yeah, if you wanted to do the little boogie board, this would be perfect. And you got a couple long towels there you can hire out. And what's nice about this beach here is there is the shade back here, but this isn't overbuilt, and it's not like the sun seats with the umbrellas, you know, taking up the whole beach. You can get out here and run around and do your thing. Play some sports up here, paddleball, football, whatever you want to do. And we're quite a ways away north of like Thon Beach and all that, where all the hotels are at. Here it seems kind of like a good mix of hotels and beach. It's not overdeveloped. Just to give you an idea how wide this beach is. So what a great location. Bring you some towels, hang out over here on the beach, and they have lots of little food carts and stuff along the beach road up there. So you can get some snacks, some coconut drinks, whatever, and come over here and hang out. And this sand is just absolutely perfect. There's no rock in it at all. And the water is like a bathtub. When the weather is nice here in Phuket, it is just absolutely amazing. The best time to come to this beach is during the dry season, even though you still can get a lot of rain and it can be kind of choppy. But come here November to like March or so. If the weather is bad and it's really windy, this will blow a lot of trash in and stuff from the ocean, and the water will be really rough. I've been here where it's impossible to swim, where there's just huge waves crashing. Looks like they got their dogs here. But you know, dry season is when all the tourists come, so the hotels will be a lot more expensive and the beaches will be a lot more crowded also. But it is what it is. Still a bit of paradise here. Just to give you an idea of how easy it is to swim here. That's pretty shallow. They're still standing there. So if you have the kids, this would be a good place to bring them. And it looks like it's a pet-friendly beach too, so you can bring your dogs. And if you rent like a scooter, there's scooter rentals and stuff like that here. You can stay here, rent a scooter, and you could go to some of the other beaches if you would want. Nai Beach is to the north of here, which is a fantastic beach also. I've done a video up there from it and it's great. You can see some of the hotels right here, right at the base of the hill. And these people brought their own sunshade. You can see this looks like it's the Sea Lord right here. And then right next to it is the base of the hill, and they have a little shrine so the Thais can come over here and do their thing. Yeah, and it's just all this nice sand. This is really great. This is the southernmost point of the beach down here. You can see there's a few rocks and all of that. And then if you go around, like I said, go around that little cape right there and you can go over to Banana Beach. A nice way to take in the sunset. Check this wooden bridge out. This goes up to the top there. It's really cool. This is popular for the Instagrammers to come over and hang out and take pictures down. Yeah, so how cool of a view is this? Come down the stairs right to the beach. And it's just all jungle all up here. All right, one more look here at the beach and then we'll walk up back behind it and I'll show you a little bit of the shops and hotels and stuff like that. Yeah, you can't go wrong with this place. This is really nice. Let's walk back behind here and I'll show you what the little beach road looks like. Just a short little walk off the beach. This is the little beach road. You got the Solstice is those blue and white ones. You get the Nai Thon Beach Club, restaurant and bar, Putawan Beach Bar, and bunches of stuff back up in here. Massage. You can stay right here, little private house. That'd be a fantastic way to spend a day. He's up there on the balcony. And then if the further north you go, the more little street food and stuff that's on the little beach road. Just give you an idea of the street food. There's some shrimp and some chicken, fish, the coconuts. And you just park your motorcycle right here or your car up on the sidewalk. And over here looks like the Sea Haven. And more of these little food carts and stuff like that. Now it does look like the Wyndham Garden is going in back there. So this is going to be a pretty big resort. That'll change this beach up a little bit, but they're just barely breaking ground on it up there. Little shrine that's right here in the middle of the beach. And then you got massage, all the stuff up here. And these sea pines are fantastic. They're what gives you the nice shade. And they do a pretty good job of picking up the trash here off of this beach, which is what's nice about Phuket. Sometimes you go to the Thai beaches and they'll be really just strewn about with plastic and all of that. And back in there is the Phuket Nai Thon Resort. Looks like it's a bigger one and more stuff all up in here. Here you go, this is the whole beach road. You got a little hotel right here with some massage. You can see it is a little bit congested, but this isn't terrible. You got all the little knickknacks along the way. And then whenever you come over here, if you buy some snacks or whatever, it's just a short little walk right down here to the ocean. That's going to finish up our video over here at Naithon Beach. This is really, really nice. It's a great way to finish a day. Hang out here on this nice white sand beach, watch the sunset. We're going to watch this for a little while. We got to see what the beach looks like. I broke out the drone, flew it around a bit, and you get an idea of what to expect when you come here to this beach. So if this is your first time at my channel, subscribe, stick around, and then you're notified when I post a new video. If you like this kind of content, I just show you things that I see and tell you a little bit about what I know. So if you like that, subscribe, and then you're notified when I post a new video. And if you have any questions about this beach, or if you've been here, I would like to know kind of what your thoughts are. Leave me a comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll do my best to answer them. And if you like the video, definitely smash the like. All that stuff helps me. And from over here in Phuket, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.